Hi everyone, if you're looking to activate your iPad mini with a 5G chip or any type of cellular with the new iPad, this video I'm going to show you how to very quickly and very simply. So step one, you need your SIM ejection tool, which you can find in the paperwork with your iPad in the box, and it's right here. You can also use something like a paperclip or an earring if you don't have this accessible. So step two is going to be going to the right hand side of your device on the very bottom, and you'll see the tray there. From there, you're going to push the pin inside the little hole on the SIM tray firmly, and you'll feel a little bit of a click and the tray will pop out. Go ahead and slide that out with your fingernail, and you can see what that looks like. Next, you're going to take your SIM cards. You see here I have my 5G SIM card, and you're going to make sure it's as small as it can get. So for me, I have a little bit of a perimeter here. I'm going to poke the SIM tray out of that perimeter so that it is as small as it can be. And then you're going to align it like this, face up, with the slightly slanted side of it facing the larger part of the tray, and it should fit in nice and flush and flat, and there shouldn't be any issues with how it fits. You can see the little diagonal corner right there should line up with the SIM card. And once that is properly there, you're just going to slide it back into your iPad until it's flush again, and then it should activate on your iPad, and you should be good to go for cellular connection.